Okay, so this is me doing a strength class. So I think 16, 14. Luckily for us, one of the higher strength types. Okay, now that I've learned my lesson, I'm not going to do what I originally did, which is, yeah. So, context. Basically, um, basically, all the weapons we use, their strongest stat has to be strength scaling. Now, that being said, technically some weapons may not be mainly strength scaling. We'll figure that out as we go. Um, obviously, the first weapon we're probably going to get is going to be the Great Sword. It's everybody's favorite. Simply put, everybody's favorite. Now, that being said, we're not going to get the Baldakin's Blessing. Because this has wild strikes, I think, yeah. I might keep the axe, especially to get, like, oh wait, I just realized something major. Okay, we're gonna do that. So, now, this is gonna be such a great idea. Okay, the fact that that even worked that well is crazy to me. Okay, well, I love, by the way, how somebody's no dying speed run of the game. Like, I think it was all Soulsborne games. They literally, their logic was, well, technically you don't die because the screen fades to black. And that is the most sound reasoning of anything I've ever heard in my entire life. So obviously, if we can, we'll get Uchi Katana, but if not, I gotta go get Blood Slash or something. Something bloody. But yeah, so we're gonna get the Great Sword. Big bonky, stronky things is gonna be the go-to. So technically Great Sword, or Great Stars, count. I don't know if they count as much as, like, say, Blasphemous Blade. Which, yes, if it counts, I'm using Blasphemous Blade. Large majority of the run will just be like, I won't get Blasphemous Blade until I'm struggling, okay? I'm gonna need smithing stones, meaning smithing stone 1 and 2 are gonna be the biggest, I think, issue. But since I'm also knowing that I have to grind those, yeah, we should be set. We should be pretty okay. It's 3 o'clock, by the way, at the time of recording. Um, by the time I get done, it's gonna be about 4:30 or 5. Hopefully 5 because I can get into my work attire, all that good stuff. And yeah. Oh shit. I love how like quick the axe is, by the way. It's just so comforting. Um but yeah, so Knight's Cav might be the go-to here for getting the 31 strength we need for the thing, which we have a lot of strength off the bat. What level are we actually is a good question too. Okay, so we only need a few hundred runes to get increases to strength. Just for clarification, you're about to see how much different the strength build is compared to like the whatchamacallit build that I was doing, the shit build. Yes. Yes, mother. So there's like 3 things I think I can immediately do now. Well, that was a fucking waste. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna run straight to the pathway that takes us to... I'm going the opposite way of that pathway. I'm gonna go the path that leads to the upway of getting to Kaled, the one I did in my previous video, where I killed Anastasia, or however you pronounce her name. The reason I'm going there is because that's the quickest way to get to the Great Sword. And technically I'm going to avoid getting the Great Sword straight up that way because it's more dangerous to face it head on like that, and I'm not about to do that. The great thing about strength builds, honestly, is that the Ashes of War are always super damage heavy. Like, Lion's Claw is going to be a go-to, and then Savage Lion's Claw. We get Cragblade, we get the Lion's Claw, if I didn't just already mention that. Like, I will get Cragblade immediately, too, by the way. Honestly, just off of Cragblade, and honestly, that's about it. I think, literally, we'll just easy kill everything. Now I'm going to test something that's possibly dangerous. And that's... Okay, you're still good. So I don't know what the, like, requirements are for getting the dude who comes out to kill me and spawns from you specifically. There's, like, certain merchants that turn into the Briar of, whatever the hell his name is. The Briar dude. We're also gonna get, well, I mean, that's where the War Master's Shack Grace Site comes in. I'm good. I'm good. Thanks, Alexander, but no, I'm sorry, buddy. You have to stay there. But yeah, so I think collectively between... If I can get the Knight's Cavalry to kill itself, without any hassle, then that'll be easy. And I think all I need is the runes for... whatever. I don't even know anymore. I'm just rambling. Now, hopefully, when I go to kill the Knight's Cavalry, it doesn't decide to do what it did the last time, which is make my life hell. Also, technically, hypothetically speaking, of course, you could grind all these skeletons, not these skeletons, but like the literal skulls that are glowing. Every 5 of them you run over gives you 200 runes. Meaning, technically, after hours of running around for a good amount of time, you could get, like, 10k runes and get a nice, juicy start to, I don't know, your health. Basically, the way the game plays is either you get stats and upgrade items. Like, honestly, most of your damage comes from the weapon, not the scaling itself. I don't know if that's true necessarily, but that's honestly how I've seen it, because that's all that seems to ever happen. But yeah. So now we're gonna go here. We're gonna get hit by laggy ass frames. Oh my god. Also, for context, I might have to do this for the next time, but I'm pretty sure these guys up here all die for like 1,000 runes apiece. Well, I'm not standing here long enough to find out. Yeah, they also have rot. Well, you get the gist. Long story short, if I'm correct, that would make them a very easy farm, especially given the circumstances of I have giant fire shooting sword. That being said, okay, we need to sneak around here. What is still seeing me? Alright. Well, whatever can see me, apparently, doesn't want to play nice. Also, what? Oh, hey. Oh, hey, little buddy. Oh, wait, I didn't mean to do that. Son of a... Damn it. Okay, this feels like a glitch. Yeah. I don't care. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. I just want to go get to Fort Verloth. Oh my god, the stupid cord is always over here. Perma access, gotta love it. Go back to Kalem Ruins. I'm trying to think of all the things I can cheese killing at least. I might honestly have to just say the hell with it and use my laptop that's right next to me to Google how to kill the dragon, because 80,000 runes on top of potentially 42,000 is just too good to pass up. And I feel like that's what a lot of my runs would be loving to soak up. Then honestly, you know what? I might honestly do the actual preparations of getting some stuff before I do anything else. Because I don't want to be that idiot that's like, oh my god, I can't do this. Oh my god, no. Like, yeah. We're gonna get the 3 free golden pickled foul feet you can get. Okay, fuck me. Yes, now go. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Goodbye. 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 Not forgiven. Okay. I'm trying to speed bullets everything right now, so that's why I'm so moody with her. And I don't even remember, like, see? Another one. Boom. 200 runes right there. Oh, hey. Okay. Oh my god! Yeah, I had the same reaction, my friend. I think it's you go down all the ways over here. But I do not remember. Okay, wait. It looks like there's a spirit spring over here. Unless I'm seriously tripping balls right now. I mean, there's one over there. Which is not where I am right now. What is going on over here? Why are you all screaming? Oh, hey, you missed. Is this where the dragon spawns? Oh, this might not even work. Okay, well, son of a bitch. I just want to get to the silver, gold, whatever the hell it's called. If I get one of those, I think I can actually speed blitz all the ways up to whatever rune level I need to be at. Church of Aleph, which I just realized might actually be not as close. I'm going to lose my shit in about 5 seconds. Okay, so I think it's over here, right? I mean, I could just go down, but there's no fun in that. Also, I think I could have made a leap of faith and I would have made it. That's why they're called leaps of faith, though, because you gotta have good old faith. That's what this build is about to be lacking in, is a whole lot of faith. So you just jump down here, land again, boom, get that, look at that, there's one, I thought it was more. Okay, well, the fact that I made that is just a sign that I'm a loser. I think there's up to 4 I can get, so I'm just gonna go get the other 3 that I think I know of. Because there's like this little outpost area where there's 3 guys just chilling in a hot tub. And they were 5 feet apart, you know, because they're not gay. But then there was another 3 that were not 5 feet apart, and I think they're just a little bit, just teensy weensy little bit gay. Which there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying, dude, like, you can be open about it if you're that close to your homies. You might as well be. And that being said, I don't remember where the actual hell this is gonna be. Because it's either where you get Golden Vow, which I might use, or it's where you get, whatchamacallit. Because I'm gonna just say this straight up, right? I'm not so incompetent that I'm bad at the game to the point where I can't beat the game. I just need moderate amounts of buffs. Like, I literally need the bare minimum, and I'm cooking. Nope, nope. Where, oh where wouldst thou be? Because I know it's over here somewhere. It's right over there, actually, I think. If it isn't, I'm gonna cry a bit. Because I know that Golden Vow is over here, I think. Yeah, that's the horse. No, 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 that's not the dude. Those are just the 3 guys. So that being said, that was a golden rune. What? I'm about to just say the hell with it and go to what's his face's area then. Because what is this game? Okay, I'm out of their range. Nope, this. We're going to L for 5 seconds. Okay, and then we're going to Dragon Barrow Nest. And then I'm gonna try to get somber weapons because I think we could get up to somber 9, which I think is what I had my whatchamacallit at the last time I came here. What the hell? Um the blasphemous blade. That's what I was referring to. Um that being said, I don't want to have to Google search anything right now. If I could get the dragon instead, I'd be set, but I don't know how to cheese him or her. They never explicitly state the dragons genders and stuff. Although I'm pretty sure this giant ass boy might be man. I don't think there's a single use for Greyroll's roar, which kind of sucks. Because it's like, that's such a waste of a perfectly good thing. Come on. Okay. See, people will look at that and be like, oh, why didn't you just cut that out? It's not a matter of cutting shit out. It's a matter of the fact that I don't have access to the ability to cut things out. So therefore, you dumb. There. think there's like something down here that if you use the spirit spring, you can technically cheat your way to, but I don't know anything about that, so I'm not getting involved. Um, uh, I know it's you have to like make the dragon essentially fall. But yeah, I think with all these collective runes, I'll be fine. Oh my god, Greyroll's bullshit ass roar lasts all the ways up until here. Are you fucking real? Okay, so I'm gonna mute this so I don't hope. Okay, we're just gonna, did you know, beat this dragon without even attacking it. One, get its attention, crouch behind the tree, aggro it again, ride on horse, flying attack, jump on the bridge, ride away, and eventually dies. That is incredibly easy if it works. Why are you all the ways over there? You're never all the ways over there for me. Okay, well this is gonna be fun, I guess, huh? Oh my god, I died immediately. Are you for fucking real? The dragon seems like it's less hassle. Does this work as of like 1.16? Because this son of a bitch is making me question if I really want to use this golden pickled foul foot on him. Like literally, if I can just get. Oh, this is make or break, do or die moments right now because I just fucked up so bad. Oh my god, I fucking hate this game right now. Okay, listen, buddy, we don't have much time. Follow me. Even if I don't want you to be the one I get major moolah from, you have to be now. Dude, please work with me. Actually, please work with me. Dude! Come on. I did it. And that was way smoother than it needed to be. Oh my god. That's a lot more runes than it usually gives. By a lot, I mean, like, not that much at all, honestly. How long does the golden pickled foul foot ability thing last? Because I don't think it lasts long enough. How much do I need for this? 31 strength, 12 dex. Ugh. Okay. Hypothetically speaking. 1, 2, 3, 12 dex. Oh. Oh, we make that easy. Okay. So we don't even need the dragon. But it's an option. And I need to actually equip the sword. And then I can just two-hand it. And then I get a bunch of stat increase from that, I think. This has an easier way to go about it, I just realized. So go back to gate front, I think. Okay, cool. Just thunk the fucking headset. Yes, that works beautifully. Okay, now for the major question of, do I have any Ashes of War besides this? And I think the like 5 million I probably almost bought. No, it looks like nay is the answer. I can also get almost up to a +3 or +2 on it already. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna try and go kill the thing that has hella blood loss build up. Because I have no idea if this is going to be worth it or not, but... Actually, wait, determination just for the scaling might be a good idea too. That or unsheath, but I don't think it's usable on this. Unsheath is really good, especially when it's used properly. Okay. Are you... Wait a motherfucking minute. No, it's not you guys. I think there's like 3... Okay, where the hell are the 3 guys that have the foul foot? Can I like gate you over here? Oh, wait, hold on. Please, please, jump. No, no, not me jump. Not me jump. I didn't even fucking move. This actually works out really well because I can check the time as I'm going. I hate this game sometimes, bro. I swear to God. Fuck ass. Ugh. Okay. I needed to kill something with the sword. I'm not remembering anything. That's how angry I am. Oh my god, I forgot everything completely. Oh yeah, foul feet. You know, I didn't keep the bonus that long, so I guess it should be if I kill the dragon and see it die. See, here's the unique thing about big fucking weapons is that if I get the thing, I can technically just say screw the rules. Rune acquisition is going to be crazy. Okay, so if I made this sword holy, by the way, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember when the guy spawns, so. Okay, it would have been all the ways up to here. So now. I think it's. Nope, not that. Okay, so. Oh shit, oh shit. I fucking blinked. Like, I don't want to have to deal with you, you prick. And I don't have a ranged option right now, I don't think. I'm gonna fucking get stuck on this of all things, aren't I? Ugh. Okay. No, I definitely don't. I need like 18 decks to be able to wield the Nagakiba. I see. Well, this is problematic indeed. Because, like, I think... Okay. I get it. Blood loss, apparently. Is it... Like, is my armor not good against Slash? It really looks like it's not good against Slash. Do I have to go kill Bernal for only the 30th time? Because I don't think a starting enemy should be doing this much damage. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 1. It's about right there. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna big dick Randy this shit. Okay, so he's gonna invade. I'm gonna hide. No, get me the f out, bro. No, dodge. Okay. You know what? Come on. Where is he? Bro, why are you all the ways over there? You son of a bitch! Why are you over there? What the fuck? You usually spawn all the fucking... Oh my god, bro. And I keep getting spawned fucking back over here. Like, come the fuck on. It wouldn't even be a problem if he didn't fucking constantly hit me for 15 fucking combos. Like, I'm not even using the thing, so why am I not double-handing it? This entire next, like, fucking 5 hours is just gonna be me trying to slap my face against this piece of junk. Oh my god, I hate everything right now. How many runes do I have collectively? 3,000. Not enough for another 400 HP. That fucking blood loss, too. It's not even the blood loss. It's the fact that he fucking combos me. And shouldn't. Fucking start area piece of garbage, bro. And then fucking Yura isn't helping shit. Here. I'm here. Summon. Come on. Come at me. Come at me. Okay. Two hand for starters. Run. Run. Hit again. You know what? Get greedy. Get greedy. No, no. Get greedy. Dodge. Oh my god, bro. Are you for fucking real? Are you for fucking real? Dude, I don't even fucking understand what the fuck is going on anymore. And then, oh, now you decide to come in and fucking help, you piece of garbage. Oh my god. Why do they give him so long to spawn? And then there's no quicker fucking area right next to it. So every goddamn time, it's just, I gotta constantly be over there. Like, fuck this, dude. I'm about to see if just getting another fucking armor set is gonna help a lot more. Because if I can just mitigate the damage he's doing, I can brute force it. I hate everything. I hate America. I hate FromSoft the most, though. Why did they make this piece of junk exist? Heh. It's not even like he's that fucking hard. It's just I constantly come back after I'm already like rune level 50 plus. Because I don't ever get the Reduvia. Because who the fuck gets the Reduvia? Like you can't even fucking like survive longer than 30 goddamn seconds with this piece of shit. Like come on. Two-handing it, still a thing. Watch him fucking summon. Come on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, jump. No, 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 no. No. Are you for fucking real, bro? Okay, you guys can enjoy each other's company real quick. Bitch. All of that for something I'm not even gonna use ever. Like, out of rage, maybe. Maybe out of rage I'll use that. Out of pure raw fucking unbridled anger. Yeah. Proper English, or lack thereof, will totally show him. Totally show him how serious I am. I haven't even left the first area, I think. Except for, obviously, to get my sword. My giant fucking sword. Okay, so we gotta enter this area. Oh. Bitch. Double whammy? Oh. Hey, buddy. No. Damn. They are just lining up to die. I'm shocked I actually had enough stuff to be able to do that, because what do you mean? Okay, so how bad is this fight gonna go this time? Let me just... If I like hit... If I like hit it, does it... Okay. Bro, I dodged, for fuck's sake. Okay, and no armor. Cool. Nah. Nah. Nah, you just sprayed your fucking goo. I really just want to kill you. You're lucky I need what you at. I will give him credit for what it's worth. The devs... Okay, come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. And then just to make sure. I'm about to be eating candy, so I'll be shutting up a lot more. The guy who's doing the bridge dragon kill, by the way, makes it look so damn easy. I can only buy 2. But it's okay because I think that's all I need to do, right? Get this, get that, get this. I'd get the fan daggers, but there's no real point. Okay. Now to go all the ways back to Lens Rise, except hot jokes on you, we're not doing that. We are going to go here because I need to get to the dragon. Hmm. No. I really am about to be just stuck sitting here eating candy all night until I go into work and have to deal with the best manager ever. But you know who would manage me better? My wife. Anyways, I kind of want my manager to fucking like see this video. All of the videos. That'd be nice. A distinctive way of shit talking. No, but I love my girl. My wife, that is. My manager's cool too, but I love my wife. The sleep deprivation is hitting like a freight train now. Holy shit. Over here. Over here. Over here. I am gonna get the Sacred Dew, and I need to start getting those actually.
Someone who might be interested in rescuing the great
Oh my god!
servant to the true order and celebrated
Fucking piece of shit.
I am Kenneth Height, and I am
Yeah, cool. Die. Piece of junk. And yes, I fully blame him for my own incompetence with the golden fucking pickled foul foot. Okay, shut up. I wish my wife was here. I wish my wifey was here to cuddle me and tell me it's okay, I'm not an idiot. But then also beat the shit out of me for killing a essentially innocent man whose storyline could have helped me, I think. Because I think it gets you a free ancient dragon stone. Okay, I did. I mean, technically I got 2 hours to record all this and stuff. So I will check what time it is right now on the video. 40 minutes. I can either make two 2 hour or two 1 hour long videos or not do that. That being said, kind of want to get to the whatchamacallit. I want to get to the area where fuck, I can't even talk, bro. Also, I'm gonna just say this. Technically, this dragon should be one of the easiest things to grind in the game. But I also need to make sure if it works as of... This was 2 years ago, 1.16. That still apparently is relevant, so... Okay. So we got this area now. What was I gonna do before that? Oh yeah, I think... Okay, no, I've got no runes. Okay, so we gotta get his attention. Which I think you'll find I can do with relative ease. Boink, boink, boink. Crouch behind tree. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this at all. Come on, flying attack, flying attack, flying attack. Flying attack. What is this dude doing? This guy is just cheesing him by shooting arrows at this guy. So I don't think this is possible. Anymore. Unless I can get like a bow or some shit. Which kind of blows because, I mean, it's not like I'm missing out on anything. But that means that what's his face, or what's her face, Grey Roll, over there is the best source of income. And that means I can no longer grind anything. Because I'm not doing that right now. So I think it's without further ado time to go get certain things done. Like, okay, why does this dude's character have boobs galore? Okay, patch, 4K. I'm watching videos while making a video. This is crazy, guys. It's almost as if I'm doing something nobody else ever does. Can I? I don't know, you guys think I should try getting... Actually, I'm gonna get Lion's Claw while I'm at it, too. No. Wow. Load? Please? If the game crashes again, I'm gonna cry. Start by luring it to the end of the bridge. Is this gonna be the exact same thing? Because it was 3 months ago. And that could just mean that my luck is terrible. I'm like trying to multitask and it's not gonna work. That's the fort I need to get to, though. Oh, that's a bird. That's a fucking bird. That's a fucking bird. You don't want to mess with me. I'm the alpha. Oh, this isn't gonna work. I'm dying. As the dragon. Hold on. I missed like all the video. Okay, so behind the tree. Wait until the dragon takes off to attack and it will get stuck on, to attack you. It will get stuck on a tree. And then we go over the bridge. I'm not taking the chance of that not fucking working, by the way. I just realized without like a plus at least 6 or 7 weapon, this is gonna be bordering suicide. Okay, I'm giving it one more chance. One more chance. I'm giving this stupid dragon one more fucking chance. Do I have any throwable weapons, by the way? I've got wolves. I mean, to be fair, the wolves are gonna be able to... Okay, come on. Come on. See me. Come on. You blind little bitch. Now it's playing a Roblox game. Okay, now fly. Okay, now fly. You're not doing what you're supposed to. I'm also stuck in place. Like, if I move from this area, I'm pretty sure you'll kill me. Okay, fly. Fly. Fly! Okay. Here's the hoping this works. Oh, shit. It does not look like it works. It does not, in fact, look like it works. Game. I've been lied to. Oh, shit. Oh, hey. That did the thing it's supposed to. I think. You know what? There, there comes a time in your life where you just stop questioning stuff. This is definitely one of those days. I'm just shocked it actually worked. Um, Actually, you could say it even that I'm shaken to my fucking core. Because what do you mean it worked? It took a minute, don't get me wrong, but it worked. Which opens up so many possibilities, by the way. Um, I am going the wrong as hell path, by the way. Question is, do I get flame grant me strength? And I just realized. Shut up and go away. Ow, you hit my horse and not me. You dick. Okay, so here's the incoming problem here. Is that I'm +1, I just realized. Oh my god, the lag. Okay, so if I can survive hitting this more than once, praise Jesus. Otherwise... Okay, well, my wolves are going after him. Okay, well, this is gonna go beautifully. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is super good. We are trading almost blow for blow, but bro, that lone wolf was putting in the fucking work. Oh my god, okay, how much? Okay, I'm gonna cut this off at exactly an hour. Or no, I'm gonna cut it short right now, and then I'll restart the video and all that good stuff. So, without further ado, I'll start part 2 in just a moment, but see y'all later.